I care for clients. I care for people. My job is literally Jewish mother. When you pick up, you know within 5 seconds if that person's in pain or not. There is no competition. Travel is so big, and there's really something for everybody. So I do that for a living. That's why people come to me. So if I have really busy executive clients or wealthy people, they're not going to go on TripAdvisor. They're not going to go on Yelp. They're going to be, hopefully you go to the doctor to tell you if you're sick or not. Same thing with any sort of profession. You hire a professional. So you are lucky to have Dr. P as your teacher, who after talking with him, he has an amazing history in hospitality. So starting, not to plug him because he's right in front of me, but that man there, you should be talking to him as much as possible.